The original Keystone Pipeline flows from Hardisty over to Wood River and Patuca, Illinois. A couple of years ago, it was expanded from this juncture here to Cushing. And we all know that it's been sitting at Cushing being devalued because it couldn't move anywhere from Cushing. Well, that's changing and changing in a big way. And we'll explain that in a second. The Enbridge Alberta Clipper Line has been in effect for a long time too. It runs from Hardisty through Superior, Wisconsin to Chicago. And it's been expanded in a couple of directions. One from Chicago to Patuca, Illinois to hook up with the Pegasus Pipeline to deliver material to Port Arthur. It's also been expanded in something called Spearhead South from Chicago to Cushing. And Enbridge has also partnered with the Seaway Enterprise Group to reverse the Seaway pipeline at Cushing and deliver material into Port Arthur. And that has been not only reversed but doubled, and sometime this year will be delivering 800,000 barrels of product a day to Port Arthur. So through the Enbridge Clipper Line, which starts at Hardisty, goes to Superior, runs through Chicago, gets to Cushing, and is now going to deliver material to Port Arthur this year. Spectra Energy has a line that goes from Hardisty through Wyoming to Wood River. And that's important because ConocoPhillips and Cenovus have a refinery in Wood River that is processing bitumen to the tune of 300,000 barrels a day as well. Superior is an interesting take as well because Superior, there's a plan there to build a marine terminal that may ship by a lake tanker material to Whiting, Indiana, where BP has a major refinery that can process 400,000 barrels of bitumen a day. And last but not least is the Keystone XL South Line. That runs from Cushing to Port Arthur. It opened in December of 2013, and when it is fully running, it will be pushing nearly 300,000 barrels of material a day from Cushing to Port Arthur. So bitumen is on the move from Hardisty through Chicago, through Cushing to Port Arthur, and that's going to have a big effect on the price of Alberta's bitumen in 2014.